Welcome to the Menu tab tutorial. Here you're going to find a lot of different things that are going to help you manage your menu and customize a menu specifically for your golf course, your snack shop, and your beer cart. First you'll see here the add item, category list, concession areas, sponsored menu, and down or below are all your menu items. They're categorized by category, item name, price, whether or not they're in stock or out of stock, active, and you can edit and delete the individual items. First we'll start by adding an item. Here we're going to add some Cheetos, and the price, I think we're going to sell these Cheetos for $1.50. Category, I'll go ahead and add them to Chow. They're active and they're in stock. If you click a product as not being active, basically the product will be added to the database, but it will not show up on the menu. Now if you click an item as being out of stock, it will show up on the menu, but it won't allow the customers to order it. Now here's the alcohol item. You're able to manage your alcohol items with a single click of a switch. So let's say for example you want to get rid of all the alcohol items and not allow your customers to order it for a certain amount of time. You can enable and disable them on your admin dashboard. Since this is not an alcohol item, we won't click that box. Now assigning service locations. Each one of your menu items can be assigned to a specific location. Let's say the Cheetos are only carried on Bev Cart 1 and the Clubhouse, so we'll mark those two. And those are the only two menus that the Cheetos are going to show up on. So let's go ahead and click Save. And now you'll see here that Cheetos has been added to the Chow section, and they're in stock and they're active. Next is the category list. Let's go ahead and I'll show you how to add a category. Go up here and click Add Category. Let's add a new category called Snacks. You'll see it's added to the bottom here. And let's go back to the menu. Next is the concession areas. Concession areas are basically where your customers will be picking up their products, either from the snack shop, the halfway house, or one of the beer carts. Here you'll see we have a halfway house set up, a Clubhouse, a Bev Cart 1, a Bev Cart 2, and a second halfway house. I'm going to go ahead and delete our second halfway house since we don't have two halfway houses. And let's add a new concession area. So I'm going to call this one the 19th hole, and it serves alcohol. This one's not mobile since it's our bar, and it's active. Description is our 19th hole bar. I'm going to click Save. Next it's going to ask you to assign which holes are allowed to purchase from this. So let's say I'm on hole 18 and I want a customer to put an order just for alcohol so he can come in and his drink will be ready. We'll assign it to hole 18 and we'll go ahead and click Save. Be okay. After that we'll go back to the menus, and then you'll see that the next time we try to add a menu item, that concession area will show up. So let's add a new item. Let's go ahead and add a whiskey shot. We're going to sell that for $6. We're going to select the category. I'm going to go ahead and put it under, let's do here, miscellaneous. I'm going to click is alcohol in stock here and only available at the 19th hole. Click Save. And now we have a new product under miscellaneous for a whiskey shot added. And finally is your sponsor menu. Your sponsor menu is going to be a list of items that our team has identified as being really great items to sell on the golf course that aren't already available on the golf course. If your golf course doesn't happen to pick up one of these items, it's not a problem. You can actually just take it off stock and it won't be showing up to the golfer's menu. So on here we have golf rates in stock. Let's say for example you're a Bud distributor, and so you would just take off Miller Lite out of stock, Miller out of stock, and say you don't pick up any Crave beef jerky, let's take that out of stock too, and it'll reflect it's out of stock. So that's how you set up your menu. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer service or your dedicated sales rep. Thanks.